record. Good. Faisal, after you finish, you can send it on my email, okay?
Okay.
But before you leave the meeting, you put end recording, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, guys, I'll open my camera now. Let's start our lesson. Sorry. I know you miss you. You miss me. Okay. Now, we are on page 23, graphs of equivalent ratios. Now, leave the book, guys. Leave the book. I'll introduce the lesson here. Leave the book. Just focus with me here. Just focus with me here. Wait. Hamza Amri, yes, Hamza. Yes, Hamza. Hello. طيب. طيب. Yes, Ubay.
Let Shukri to
Ubay.
Yes, let Shukri to close his camera. Because
It's okay. It's
see
okay. It's okay.
full screen.
Okay. Okay. Shukri, close your camera, please.
Okay, like this. See full screen.
Shukri, close your camera. But let's start, guys. All of you here. Let's start, please. I don't want to waste time more. Okay. Now, here, guys, we have this table. This table has values for X and Y. This is introduction for the lesson. We are not starting the lesson yet. Just I want you to understand the table of values and the coordinate plane. Okay. Now here we have X and Y. 2 has a relation with the 3. 4 is related to 6, and 1 connected to 5. From this table, guys, we can make something. We call it ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. Ordered pair means brackets like this or parentheses and a comma between them, and the first value here always X, and the second value here always Y. So we have X and Y, not Y and X. Always X and Y, always. Okay? Now, here 2X related to the 3, I can put it like this, 2 and 3. 4X and 6, I can put it like this in ordered pair, 4 and 6. 1 and 5, I can put it like this, 1 and 5. Got it? Now, these 3 ordered pairs, we will plot them, the word plot. Plot. Guys, do not write anything, just focus with me here. Don't do anything. Now, these points, we can plot them in something we call it coordinate plane. Coordinate plane. Okay? Now, this coordinate plane has 2 axes, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, guys, always the horizontal one, and y-axis always the vertical one, and they are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means this angle is 90 degrees. This is not our subject. I just want you to focus here, to know the idea. If you understand this very well, you can understand the lesson very well. Now, how we plot these points? Here we need numbers. We can fill numbers here. I can fill like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, the negative, -1, -2, down the negative, up positive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 6. I can add numbers as much as I can, as much as you want. Now, how we plot the point, guys? How we plot these points? Look here, guys, all the values are positive, so the negative parts, I don't need them. The negative parts, I don't need them. I'll work on the positive parts here. 2 and 3, how I'll plot the point 2 and 3. We said always the first number is X, and the second number always Y. Not YX, it's XY. Same idea here, same idea here. For any ordered pair, always the first number X, the second number Y. Now, how we plot 2 and 3, guys? To plot 2 and 3 here, we will go to x first to the number 2, then y to the number 3. So I will go to x to the number 2, this is 2 here, and go up until I get the y3 here. Then I put a point like this one. Again, to plot 2 and 3, go to the x first, then to the y. Not y, then x. Always x, then y. So go to x2 and go up until you get the 3 in the y-axis here. 2 to 3. Okay, guys? How we plot 4 and 6? I will go to the 4 in x and go up. There is no 6 here. I can add it. This is 6. I will go from 4 up until I get the 6 and put my point. This is how we plot the points, guys. Now, 1 and 5, for example, this is 1. Up until I get the 5, this is my point. Now here, the intersection point between the two axes, it is, we call it the origin, 0, 0. Yani this numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, negative 1, 0, negative 2. But in this lesson, guys, we don't need the negative parts here. Now, look here, guys. Sometimes, for example, if I want to order the pair 3 and 5, and I have this coordinate plane. Look here, guys, and focus with me, please. This is, for example, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Here, I don't have a 3 and 5. There is no 3 here. There is no 5 here. So there is 3 and 5, but they are hidden. They are hidden. Hidden. Hidden يعني مش مبينين. Okay? 3 and 5, but the 3 is here. It's between 2 and 4. And the 5 is here. It's between 4 and 6. Means if you have numbers in the ordered pairs and you cannot find these numbers, you can find its place. The 3 is between 5 is between 4 and 6. So I can go from 3 here until I get the 5 here between 4 and 6, and it's approximated distances or spaces. Okay, guys, this is the idea how we plot the points. Now we will go to the lesson, graphs of equivalent ratio. Now what I call this, guys, what I call this, I call it a graph. I call it a graph. This is a graph, we will make it for the table of equivalent ratios, which we deal with it in the previous lesson. Now we will have tables of equivalent ratios, and we will make what? A graphs for them like these ones. Now, guys, open your books, page 23, and let's start our example 1, please. Now, any questions about the coordinate plane and how we plot the points here, you can put your hand, please. If you don't have any questions, please remove your hand, please. So I can answer the students, those whom have questions, please. Okay, Hussein. Hussein. طيب, Rayyan.
Yes,
Okay,
Mr.
Mr.
Yes. لا, let's start with Hussein. معلش Rayyan, wait. Yes, Hussein.
Mr. I don't understand of the
Coordinate plane.
yeah.
Look here. What's this point? 2 and 3, okay?
Yes.
We call it ordered pair, okay?
Okay.
To plot this point on the coordinate plane, you go always for 2 in x, then up for y in 3. Get it? So here, I will go to the 2 and go up until I get mean. Talk with me. Hussein, where are you? Hussein.
Mute.
Oh my God. Muted. He muted himself, which is weird. Hussein, are you here? Rayyan, are you with me? Rayyan, put a hand. Okay.
Yes,
Rayyan,
Mr.
now,
But your picture
Faisal.
is lagging. Your
Yeah,
picture is lagging.
because yeah, the internet is disconnected. Faisal, put a hand, please. Faisal. Faisal, where are you?
I'm here, Mr.
Okay, you are still recording, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Rayyan, what's your question?
Now, Mr., if we have 0 to 0, where we put the point?
0, 0, it is in the middle here. It is 0x and 0y. Okay?
يعني the 0 is in the point, this in the center. The center is
Yeah,
0.
yeah. The center here is 0 and 0. Not 0 alone. 0 and 0. Why? Because we have x and
Why?
y. 0, 0. Like this. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Now, stay with me, Rayyan, and go to example 1. Example 1. All of you guys, open on example 1, page 24. All of you. Example 1, page 24. All of you. Read Rayyan. Rayyan. أخي ريان. ريان.
Yes, yes.
يلا
Yes,
حبيبي.
yes.
Why you mute yourself? I said stay. يلا.
Okay.
Read Rayyan. We are, wait بالله. Guys, all of you, open your box, page 24 on example 1. Your friend will read the question. يلا go.
Tamara is making charm bracelets for several friends. She uses 6 beads for every charm.
Wait. 6 spreads for every charm. So here we have charms. I will call them X. And here I will have beads or what? What? Beads.
Bracelets.
Yes, beads. Yes. Beads, I will call it Y. Continue. 6 for every one charm, right?
Yes.
So if we have one here, here will be 6. Continue.
Generate a set of order pairs for the ratio relationship between the number of beads Y and the number of charms X for a
Hello.
total.
Look here. The question said the number of beads Y and the number of charms X. We always put X before Y. Continue.
1, 2, 3, and 4 charms, then
Hello.
graph the
The charms, wait. The charms, they want it to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Continue.
Part A, create a table of ordered pairs.
هاي التابل قدامنا. Continue.
Let the X coordinates represent the number of charms and the Y coordinates represent the number of beads.
Hello. Now guys, we have the table in front of you, right? In your book. Do you have the table?
Yes.
You have the table, right? But here are empty, right? We have empty spaces here, right?
Yes.
We need to fill them. We need to fill them now. Depends on the question. Depends on the question. Now the question said for each one we have 6. But 2, for each one we have 6. If we have 2, then we will have 12. For the 3 we have 18. For the 4 we have 24. Got it? So fill the 3 numbers now. Yalla, shuf. From where I get 1 to 6? 1 to 6 from the question. And here in the red color, I filled them by myself.
It depends on the question.
Yep, exactly. Good. Thank you, Rayyan. You can mute yourself. Adnan. Adnan?
Mr.
Yes, Adnan.
Can you explain this thing, the X and Y thing?
We will do it again here now, in this example, okay? Adnan, we will do it. We will do it again here in this example, okay? Yalla, focus with me.
Like this.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, we will do the same idea on this example. Now, we will graph it. طيب, Ammar Yasser.
Mr. We don't want to write in the copybook. Yes, it's all in the book.
Yeah, in the book, in the book. You have the table, you have the graph down. We will plot it on the book, inshallah. طيب, Muhsin, where is Muhsin? Muhsin, put a hand, Muhsin.
Mr. Mute myself.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr.
Muhsin, are you with me?
Yes.
How, do you know how we get the 12, 18, and the 24?
Yes.
Good boy. Now, guys, now we will graph. Now, in front of you, you have a coordinate plane is already graphed, right? You have something like this in front of you. You have something like this here. This is X, and this is Y. Adnan, look here. We will do the same idea here now. Look in front of you guys. Down they wrote number of charms. Here they wrote number of charms, right, Muhsin? Muhsin. And here they wrote what? Number of beads. Here, number of beads. Number of beads. Now, here they put like squares. These squares, guys, to make it easy for you to get the numbers, to make your numbers directly. So these squares are not important in the coordinate plane. Now the numbers down here, they wrote for us 1, 2, here we have 0 for sure, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, until 4. 1, 2, 3. This is exists in front of you guys in your book, right? And here they wrote the numbers 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 by 3s. 0, sorry, there is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, why 27? They make it by 3s. Why by 3s, guys? To make it easy for them, okay? Now I will ask here, guys, I will make the ordered pairs. We said we have ordered pairs. Now, what's the first ordered pair? It's 1 and 6. Hadi 1, hadi 6. The second ordered pair, it is 2 and 12. I will write it here. 2 and 12. The third ordered pair, 3 with 18. 3 with 18. And the fourth ordered pair is 4 with 24. Now, Adnan, focus here. Adnan, be with me. Muhsin, I will ask Muhsin now. Where is Muhsin? Muhsin. Good, Muhsin. I will ask you, are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah. I will ask you to plot 1 and 6. How we plot 1 and 6 here? Can you tell me?
Yes. No, we go on the X.
Go to X. This is X. Okay.
Yes, and here
where on X? To 1. Hello. And then
to Y.
To Y. This is Y. I'll go up until I get what?
6.
6. So this is my coordinate plane. Do it with me in your book, guys. This is 1. Go up until you get 6 and put a point like this one. Yalla, go. Adnan. Put a hand, Adnan. Wait, Abdullah. Wait, Abdurrahman. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, Adnan. Yes, Adnan.
You said for me to put a hand.
Yalla, 2 and 12. Can you plot 2 and 12 here?
Yes.
Yalla, tell me how we put 2 and 12 here. 2 and 12. How?
That we be going up till we go to 12. Mister, the photo is lagging.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Adnan. From 2 to, until we get what?
Until we
12.
to 12, and we put
Yalla. Yalla, go up, guys, until you get to 12. Excellent boy. Thank you. You understand it now?
Yes.
Good boy. I will answer your questions, guys. Okay, I will start with Abdurrahman Adil. Where are you, Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Yes, talk, Abdurrahman. Can you plot for me 3 and 18?
Mister, you
Yes.
said copy book don't write or
لا لا, on the book today, on the book.
in the
You
book.
have the book?
I don't have the book.
By focus with us. Try to understand until you get the book, okay?
I don't write in the
No,
copy
try
book.
to write. لا لا, try to write as much as you can, okay? But when you get the book, you will solve it again with me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Thanks.
Abudi. Right, let's go. Okay, Ubay. Ubay will tell us how we... Yes, mute, Adnan. Mute, thank you. Thank you. Ubay,
Sir.
talk. Yes, Ubay.
We have to write like you.
It's in this graph exists in front of you in the book, right?
Yep, it's written in the book.
But put the points. You need to put the points.
It's look. I will open my camera. Look.
Okay, they are written, right?
Yep, look here.
They are written, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. I want you to understand it, how we write them,
I
okay?
understand it. Yeah, I
Good
understand.
boy. Thank you, Ubay. Thank you, Habib.
Can I
Yeah. Yalla, 3 and 18. How we make 3 and 18?
go to X?
So go to X to 3, then
Then go to Y.
until we get
18.
18.
Put a point.
The last one, thank you, Ubay. Mute yourself. The last one, 4 to 24, guys.
Also, one question. Do you have homework today?
Yes, we will have the first 2 questions, inshallah. Let me finish, Habibi. Don't waste time. Yeah, 4 until 24, up. Okay, guys? Now, let's do the check. Under the book, under the example 1, we have check. Who can read the check for me? Yalla, shuf. Let's do the check, guys. Who can read the check? Abdullah, Khalid, Latebi, yalla.
Yes,
Abdullah.
mister.
Yes, Abdullah.
Cleans home softly sells fencing that costs 14 for every 3 feet. Generate the set of ordered pairs for the relationship between the cost y and the number of the feet of fencing x for total of
Good.
3.
Wait. They said the cost is y. So I will make my table. And here, try to write with me in the book, guys. Besides it, you have like lines. You can write notes, okay? Make your table in the book besides the question. Here, they wrote the cost. They wanted y. And the fencing, the feet of fencing is y, is excellent. Write it with me, guys, please. Fencing is x. Okay? Copy it with me. They want us to make the table now, not like the example. Now, okay, the question said, if you read the question again, for each 3, we have 14. See, for each 3 in feet of fencing, the cost is 14. And the question asks us to make 3, 6, 9, 12. So I will add 3, this is already exist, 6, 9, and 12. Copy it with me, please. Now let's fill these numbers. Now the 3 gives it 12. طب how about the 6 يا Abdullah? Do you know the 6 how much it will be? Gives 14, sorry. Who know 6 gives how much if the 3 gives 14? Who know? Okay, Ubay, good. Muhammad Kamil. Muhammad Kamil. How much the 6 will be?
First, for Mr. 3 cannot 3 if we multiply it with any value, it cannot be 14.
Mister, here we are not searching about if it's 3 multiplied with something with something equal 14. Here the 3 to fencing 3, the cost of them 14. Hello? Now the 6, we have 6. How much it will be? They are equivalent ratios. So what we did for the 3 here to be 6?
By 2.
By 2.
By 2. So I'll do the same for the 14. By 2. So how much here?
28.
28. Excellent. Guys, look here. Let's go back here. 6 plus 6, it is 12. Plus 6, it is 18. Plus 6, it is 24. I'll do the same here. 14 plus 14, 28. Plus 14, it will be 42. Plus 14, 42 plus 14, 56. This is how we fill the table, okay? Fill it with me now, and let's prepare the ordered pairs. I don't need these. This is our table.
Okay.
Now let's write our yes, Adnan. Muhammad Kamil, do you understand it?
To know what is the question check? Because
Mister, question check under the example 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
I finished writing also.
Good, thank you. Now guys, let's order this table on the graph which is besides the question. Before that, we need to write the ordered pairs of this table. We have 4 ordered pairs. The ordered pairs, we bring them from the table. We can write them. 3 with 14, this is a 3 and 14. 6 with a 28, this is 6 and a 28. 9 with 42, this is 9 and 42. A 12 with 56, this is a 12 and 56. Okay, guys? Now we are ready for what? For plotting these ordered pairs on the coordinate plane, which is already done besides the question. See them? Down they wrote feet of fencing here. Down, feet of fencing. And they wrote numbers here. They wrote 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 10. And on the y-axis, they wrote total cost. Here we have the cost, total cost. And they wrote numbers also, which are 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. They wrote the numbers 0, 5. They make jumps to make it easy for us. We cannot do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until we get 56, which is hard. So I can make 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Look here, guys. I need how much? I need 56, the biggest number. Here I only have 35. I can extend it up until I get my number. Okay, guys? 50, 55, 60, 65. I get 56. I can put numbers as much as I want. This table or this plan, guys, exists beside the check. Exists beside the check. Now, 3 and 14. We don't have a 3 here. It's hidden. And the 14, we don't have 14 here. It's hidden. So I'll go to the 3. It's between 2 and 4 and go up until I get the 14. It's under the 15. Not 15, under the 15. So go from here 3 until you get the 14, which is under the 15. Put your point. Now the second ordered pair is 6 and the 28. We have 6 in x-axis, but we don't have a 28. The 28 is more 25 and closer to 30. So I'll go from 6 up until I get 30 أو أقل شوي. It's 28. It's hidden. Now the third point, 9 and 42. This is 9 here. The 9 is closer to 10. And 42, it's more than 40 a little bit. So I will go up until this is 40. See it? Up then 40 a little bit. And put my point. And the fourth point is 12 and 56. There is no 12 here. There is no 12. So the 12 can be here, for example, because 6, 10, then we can 14. This is here 14. The 12 can be here. And 56. It's more than 55. Go up, upper than the 55 a little bit. See, guys? I'm sorry. Here. This is our graph. Any questions?
No.
Before I finish, guys, wait, Habibi, wait. Before I finish, your homework is on page, it is on page 27, questions 1 and 2. 27, page 27, questions 1 and 2. Do them and send them on Classera. Faisal Kayali, are you with me?
How do I send them?
Faisal, put a hand. Faisal, quickly, put a hand.
I want to see the graph.
Faisal,
Doesn't stop.
Faisal, you can end the recording now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, guys, this is your homework.